Hello folks, I'm Dean Curry, President and Founder of Cooking Healthy for You. Our YouTube channel is under Rising Star Enterprises for Wellbeing, and we are here actually today feeling inspired, feeling motivated, and we are going to cook pancakes. But we're going to cook pancakes in a very, very healthy way. We're going to add mango, we're going to add beautiful bananas, we're going to put pineapples on the side. We have our egg. We're going to put dark chocolate, which is very good for you, and mango, which is exceptionally good for you. We're going to put apple cider vinegar, and we're not using butter. I repeat, we are not using butter. Butter is very fattening. Not that it's bad to ever use butter, but instead we are actually going to use avocado oil because it's got vegetable oil, vegetable base. It expands the pancake a little bit more. Vegetable-based oils do, and they're good for you. And we're just going to go from there, and we're going to add honey to it. And here we go. We're going to lower this down here a little bit. There you go. And we're going to get our flour, which we start with. I'm not going to measure. It's going to be about 1.5 cups of flour, 3/4 cup of regular flour, all-purpose. There you go. That's about 3/4 cup. Then we're going to get whole wheat flour. There you go. Going to add a little bit of salt. You put your dry ingredients in first. You know, it's just better to do it that way. Then you want to get baking powder. Yeah, about 3.5 tablespoons. You don't have to measure. You kind of know what it is. You know, I'm trying to teach you, more or less not to measure. And that's very good. We're moving along here at a fast pace. Good. We got our stir. And you basically mix these before you put in, the rest of your ingredients. But we're moving at a very fast pace today. So put that in there. We can make a little well. We could get our egg. It's around here somewhere. There you go. All right. Boom. There goes the egg. Boom. And then you have things you can add a little apple cider vinegar. Probably say about 2 tablespoons. Actually 2 teaspoons rather. You don't want to overpower it. And then you're moving right along. You're even going to add a little avocado oil because it's good to put a little oil. Probably about, not a lot. You probably put about 1 teaspoon in. There you go. And it just helps it not stick. And you go from there, and you're going to take a little bit of honey. You're going to put it right in there. There you go. About 1 tablespoon of honey, just to give flavor. You could put honey on the pancake as well. You're going to take these beautiful mangoes. Aren't they just beautiful? And look at these gorgeous dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is very good for you. You can add that in there. Wow, bam. And then you're going to take your bananas. We're going to leave the pineapple out and put it on the side and add our bananas. Boom. It's looking great. Looking fantastic. And don't forget your milk. About 1.25 cups of milk. There you go. That's about 1.25. Milk helps it, more or less stay fluffy. And then you're going to mix this through. Yeah, look at that. Then you get your batter. Now, you get your batter. Mix that through. There you go. Beautiful pancakes. Beautiful pancakes. Look at that. And you want to get somewhat of a liquidy. You don't want it to be too dry. You see how that's kind of moving around? Let me see if I can give you a better angle. See how that's kind of moving around? That's more or less the consistency you want. Then you're going to more or less put your oven on a medium flame. Don't overpower it by putting it on a large flame. A lot of people kind of make that mistake, and you don't really want to do that. So, you just mix this a little bit more. Oh wow, these are coming out great. Look at that. And then you're just going to pour in your pancake. I pour it right out of the thing. There you go. That's one big pancake. Then you're going to put a second one. And make that one a little smaller. I like to sort of have 2. One big one, one small one. And look at the beautiful pancakes, how they come out. Don't you just love them? Nice and beautiful. And we will put these off to the side. Yeah, there you go. Nice pancakes, absolutely beautiful. And we will be back. These came out absolutely perfect. Bring our plate over here. Look at that. Look at these beautiful pancakes. Unbelievable. Bring this over, shut our flame off. Then if you want, you could add a little bit of avocado oil right on top. Right on top, little drizzle. Look at that. Look at that. If you want to add a little bit of honey, you can do that as well. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Let's add a little honey right there. Right on the side. Right on the side. Absolutely beautiful. A little bit more avocado oil just to get a little drizzle on the sides. Absolutely beautiful. And of course, last but not least, a little bit of syrup. Oh my goodness. Look at how amazing this looks. Boy, this is going to be a great breakfast. And you can take your pineapples if you want, kind of put them on the side. You know, some pineapples. Absolutely amazing. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Chef Curry Flavors. Let's get this baby right back up again. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Chef Curry Flavors. A little sideways there. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Chef Curry Flavors. Here we have these beautiful, absolutely beautiful pancakes. Oh my goodness. I'm going to have a great breakfast. We're motivated. We're pumped up. We're living life through this pandemic. Nothing is going to stop us. We're healing people through food. Cooking healthy. Not blueberries, sorry about that. Mango. We have pineapple on the side. Absolutely delicious. We cooked it with whole wheat flour and regular flour. No butter. No butter. We actually used avocado oil. And isn't that just beautiful? Pineapples, mango, and dark chocolate. Because dark chocolate's actually good for you, believe it or not. And that's what we do here. You know, making miracles happen. We're being motivated. We're being pumped. I'm Chef Curry Flavors. This is our show, Cooking Healthy for You. Have yourselves a wonderful day. And you look us up on YouTube under Rising Star Enterprises for Wellbeing. Have yourself a